Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to bring to your attention this pretty cool tool. It's the map of consciousness that was made by David R. Hawkins, pretty well-known spiritual teacher. And I just think this is very important to just keep in mind, keep it handy, so we are aware of the feelings and the state where we are. In the table we have the frequency of vibration associated with the level and the feelings. So, at the bottom we have, the number 20 will be the frequency of vibration. It's pretty low frequency, and this will be at the state of shame. When we are in shame, we have a lot of feelings of humiliation. If we go a little bit higher on the ladder, we find fear, and fear is still very low frequency, pretty low state to be at. And when we are in fear, we feel a lot of anxiety. We go a little bit higher and we go to the 250 frequency level. We'll be in neutrality, and here we start to trust a little bit more that we are protected and the universe got our back. And if we keep going up the ladder, we find love at the frequency of 500. And we will be feeling a lot of reverence at this level. Up at the top, beyond 700, we have the enlightenment, and this will be somebody like Buddha will be at that level. So I just think this is a very useful tool to have around handy. We all want to attract and have the best things come into our lives, and the law of attraction really works based on your vibration, on your feelings. And that's how we attract the same kind of things. It's not just about thinking positive things or visualizing. It's really about how we are feeling inside. So knowing these, kind of like, having this table gives us a little breakdown, and it can make us more aware of how we really are feeling and what we really will be attracting where we are. So I think, and I hope you find it useful. You can find it online, Map of Consciousness. And I hope you have a great day.